Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an alias in Wamp Server. If you haven't already started Wamp Server, go ahead and start it. As you can see, I've already started my Wamp Server on the right hand corner here. What I'm going to do is going to left click Wamp Server icon, go to localhost. From here you can see that there are 3 aliases already installed by default with Wamp Server. What I want to do is create an alias to my project for Joomla. If I were to click on Joomla here, you would get an error. As you can see, right now I clicked on it and it just says waiting for localhost. What will happen eventually, it'll time out and nothing will be displayed. Let's go back. Again, what I'm trying to do here is just to reach my project much quicker by creating an alias here. What I'm going to do is going to left click the Wamp Server icon in the bottom right corner. I'm going to go to the Apache, and then finally alias directory. Here I'm going to create an alias. Now it asks me, what do I want to create? Enter your alias. An example here is test. For me, I have a directory, a project called Joomla, but you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and click on enter. Now it asks, okay, this thing that you've created as an alias named Joomla, where is it located? I'm going to go ahead and open up File Explorer. I'm going to go to this PC. I'm going to go to my C drive, WAMP64, that's where Wamp Server is installed. I'm going to go to the www directory. And finally, you can see my project's located here under the folder called Joomla. I'm going to click it. I'm going to click the address bar. I'm going to select everything and copy it. That way I don't mistype the address. I'm going to go back to my command prompt here and right click. And for my instance here, I have Windows set up so that it just automatically pastes it when I right click, but you might get a drop down menu and all you would have to do is click select paste. Since I know my path is correct, I'm going to click enter on my keyboard, and here you can see it says alias created. Please press enter to exit. I'll go ahead and click on enter. Okay, now I'm going to cancel out of here. Now what you're going to want to do now is restart Wamp Server, because if you don't, sometimes what will happen is, before I restart it, I'll show you what happens. I'm going to refresh my page, and you can see here Joomla showed up, but in some cases it doesn't always. I've had instances where it doesn't always show up. So what you would want to do is left click again, and you'd want to restart all your services. And once that turns orange, then red, then orange again, and then finally green, you would reload this page by refreshing your page here or hitting the F5 key on your keyboard. Now in my case, I didn't have to do that because it automatically showed up. I'm going to go ahead and click on Joomla. And as you can see, I have my Joomla test site ready to go. Now, how is this helpful? Well, you don't have to type that anymore. What you can do now is just go to your Wamp Server icon. You're going to go to localhost, and here you're going to click on Joomla. This saves you from having to type this path every time you are needing to work on your project. Now, let's say that you've already completed your project, you've moved your project online and no longer need it, or for whatever reason you don't need this alias anymore. You simply go back to Wamp Server, left click, go to Apache, go to alias directories. You're going to locate the alias that you created. In my case, it's localhost Joomla. I'm going to click on the option of suppress alias, and here it asks me, do you really want to delete this alias? Type yes to confirm. I'm going to go ahead and type out yes and hit enter. And you can see from the bottom screen, it says alias deleted. Press enter to exit. And that's it. Now you can get to your project much quicker and start working. Thank you.